Hey guys, this is Donovan Engel. I've been playing drums for about 30 years. Currently I'm playing with the band Solar. We're a Rockford, Illinois based band. We play hard rock metal. We have played all over the place, multiple states, multiple venues, and we have a great time doing it. I love what I do. I love the drums. I play the 2B size Collision Drumstick. When I order these, I actually ordered the custom ones with my name on there, so I really enjoy these. And what I love about Collision is the durability all the way around. This tip is near impossible to break. The sticks themselves, you know, I ordered 24 pair when I started with my endorsement here, and I broke 1 pair, and I beat the hell out of my drums. So that's what I love about Collision. Enough about me, let's move on. We're going to play a song for you that's called Deep Within off our upcoming album due out this fall. Enjoy.